everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So I have a little collective haul to share. I picked up some things recently from Ulta and also a few things from Kohl. So I thought it'd be fun to share in a little haul. So I'll start off with the stuff I got from Ulta. And if you haven't noticed, I recently cut my hair. So where I went to get my hair cut was really close to an Ulta. So I popped in there after my haircut. And I was looking for a few different things, so stuff both for my new hair, and also I'm leaving to go to Hawaii later this week, so I wanted to get a few travel items as well. So firstly, what I got was this set from Living Proof. This is the Fullness and Volume Mini Transformation Kit, and what I mainly wanted to try was a texturizing spray. My hair is very fine, so I wanted to have something that could add some volume to it, also add some texture. So I wanted to try the Living Proof, the Full Dry Volume Blast texturizing volumizing spray. So the little set had it in a 3-ounce version of it, so I can just try it out versus buying the full size. So this on its own sells for, it was like $15, and the little set was $18. So basically I got to try out some other little items for just $3 more. So got that one in the set. It also has travel size of the full shampoo, so a volumizing shampoo, and also the full conditioner. So I thought these were great. Like, all the products in this little set I can also take to Hawaii with me, so I thought it was a great time to pick it up. And it also has just a foil packet of the full thickening cream. So I think I'm going to bring all of these with me on my trip. So it's good because I can try out some stuff and also have things that I can travel with. So first got those. And then I also picked up a new hairbrush, something I've been needing to pick up. So I got this at Ulta as well. This is from the Hair Edit, and it's a Finish and Shine boar bristle brush. So I've had boar bristle brushes before, and the one I had was just getting old, so I decided to pick up a new one. And this is supposed to be good for all hair types. It's supposed to help boost shine and tame flyaways. So again, I just want something to help with my like fine hair, just to kind of keep it in place. So I did pick up the brush, and then I got something else that was travel size, which I probably won't need because I just got the mini shampoo and conditioners, but I did want a set of travel bottles. This is something I've been wanting for a long time, and this is just from Ulta Beauty, but there are these travel bottles that are like silicone, and you can just refill them with whatever products you want. So you just can easily twist off the lid, refill them. They're silicone, and I like that they're all different colors. That way you can essentially put whatever you want into these. They don't have them like pre-labeled, but then you can easily like tell them apart from each other because they're all different colors. They also have like different sayings too. So anyway, picked those up. I probably will take use these for something for my trip, but even if I don't, I will definitely use them at some point for travel. So I did pick up those. And then the last thing I picked up was sort of an impulse, well, it was an impulsive purchase, but I thought it made sense. So I was looking at, like, Benefit had a lot of sets, and I always like the Benefit sets. I always think they're really great deals. And I saw this one, which is Together at Lash. It's 3 different full-size mascaras, and this was $38. So I figured that it's like $13 per mascara isn't that bad for like really nice like full-size mascaras. So I decided to go for it. So currently the mascara I'm using is the Roller Lash by Benefit. I just have a travel size of it, but I'm almost finished with it. I've been using it for just over 3 months now, so it's time to like toss that one. So I really enjoyed that mascara. It's a curling mascara, so I like that this had a full size of Roller Lash. There's also a full size of their Real. This is a mascara I've used before. I've used it in the full size and also travel size versions of it. It's a really good mascara. It's a lengthening one. And then it also has a full size of the Bad Gal Bang. Now, I haven't tried this one, but I've heard a lot of good things about it. Years ago, I did use and really like the Bad Gal mascara from Benefit, so I thought that this one would be fun to try. And honestly, I've never been let down by a Benefit mascara. I feel like they do them really well, or they just work out really well for what I'm looking for. So I was really excited to get this little set. So I think, you know, I wasn't planning on buying it, but I think it actually is going to work out really well. These are all mascaras I'm excited to use, and really, it's pretty much a year's worth of mascara. If I stretch out and use each of them like 4 months versus 3 months, it's like a year worth of mascara. So I thought it was a pretty good buy for $38. So I did pick up that. So that's everything I initially picked up at Ulta. And then they're doing their 21 Days of Beauty. So today, what they had for 21 Days of Beauty had me go back to the store. So what they had was the Too Faced, the Hangover RX, the face primer at 50% off. They also had the setting spray at 50% off, but I didn't really need a setting spray, so I just got the primer. So this was like $17. And I really like this primer. It's one I've used before. And something I was actually looking to repurchase. I usually buy during the Sephora, the like November VIB sale. So I was thinking I was going to purchase that then, and it would have been at 20% off. But to get it now for 50% off, I was like, I kind of can't pass that up. And if I think about my primers currently, I have one I'm almost finished with, and then the only other primer I have is just a deluxe size of the Benefit Professional, and that's a primer I really just prefer to use on certain areas of my face versus all over my face. So primer was something I was really looking to repurchase at some point in the not too distant future, so I decided to pick this one up as well. And I really like this one. It's like more lotiony primer. I can use it all over my face. I know it's something I've liked because I've used it before, so I went and got this today. And then that's everything from Ulta. My other things for the haul are from Kohl's. So for Kohl's, it's not a store I normally shop at. There's not a particular reason. I don't know why. I feel like, I don't know, like you have certain stores you normally shop at and then other ones that you might not, just maybe it's not close by, you don't think of it to go there. But I did have a gift card. It was from Christmas and it was $30. So I've had it for months and months and I've never like been in a Kohl's to use it. But this past week I was actually driving past, I was sort of taking another way home basically, and I was going past a shopping center that had a Kohl's, so I decided to just stop in. And I know that Kohl's has candles, so I love the Bath & Body Works candles. Those are primarily the ones that I buy, but I know Kohl's has candles and they have like fall candles. So I decided with my gift card it would be a good time to try them out. Now, I definitely don't need any more fall candles, but I figure they're candles. Even if I don't burn through them all this year, I can keep them in my collection and maybe burn some of them next year. But I was just interested to see how they compared to the Bath & Body Works ones. And in store, the candles, they're originally $19.99. They're just the Sonoma collection, or Sonoma candles from Kohl's. So they're originally $19.99. and they were on sale for $9.99. So essentially my gift card covered the cost of 3 of them, and I just had to pay for the tax. So I figured it was kind of a good way to try them out. So I've seen some reviews on the Sonoma candles, but I didn't have any particular ones in mind that I wanted to buy. So I was just going off of my first impressions, just the cold sniff of the candles, just to see which ones I wanted to pick out. So the 3 that I picked out, the first one is Bourbon Pumpkin. So this is what the packaging of it looks like. And this has notes of pumpkin, creamy vanilla, and caramelized sugar. And I definitely get the pumpkin. It's like a sweet pumpkin. Maybe not sweet, like a warm vanilla pumpkin. I don't really get any bourbon from it, but we'll see how this one burns, what it is like. But that's bourbon pumpkin. And with these, I'm just interested to see how they compare to Bath & Body Works ones, how they burn, what the throw is like. Yeah, just sort of like excited to try out like another brand of candles. So that was the first one I picked up. And these also have really cute lids as well. So there's like a leaf, an acorn. So I like the attention to detail that these have. So this is the second one. It's Falling Leaves. And this has notes of green apple, caramel, and vanilla. And the notes reminded me of Cider Lane from Bath & Body Works, which is caramel and like green apple. On Kohl, this one doesn't remind me of Cider Lane. I don't even really pick up the caramel note. I get a little bit of the apple, but I can't really pick out the notes like that well. But I thought the packaging was really pretty, and I just wanted to see like what burning, does it have any resemblance to Cider Lane, or what does it smell like burning? So I did pick up that. I do like the sticker on this one with like the trees with the fall colors and then the yellow wax. So got that one. And then one I was most excited about was the third one, and this is Vanilla Pumpkin Latte. So this has notes of pumpkin, warm vanilla, and espresso. And this is definitely the strongest of the candles that I got. I definitely get that coffee note, but it's like a sweetened coffee note. It's like a vanilla latte sort of scent. And the reason I'm so excited about this one is I really want the Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte candle from Bath & Body Works to kind of be what this candle is. Now I have Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. I've only ever had it in the body care because as much as I want to like the candle, whenever I smell it in store, I'm just sort of like, doesn't smell that great. Like the reviews I've seen of it on it haven't been that great, but I do like the body care. And I think the thing is that the body care doesn't really have a coffee note. It's more marshmallow and pumpkin, which I think really works for the body care. You get this like sort of warm like fall scent. And I think for body care, I don't really want to smell like coffee, but I would like to smell like a marshmallow and like a pumpkin marshmallow type of scent. So I think this works for body care. And I think when they try to take the body care and transform it into a candle, it doesn't really work, because really for a candle, I would like it to have that like coffee note. And I think that's what's really missing from the Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte candle. So this candle from Kohl's, the Vanilla Pumpkin Latte, does have that really strong coffee note with, it's sweetened up with like the vanilla. So this is what I wish Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte was like, and I was happy to be able to find it at Kohl's. So I think this is the first one that I'll try. Definitely the strongest of all the candles and the one I'm most excited about. So really happy to find that as well. So that is everything for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.